Welcome to our Beard Trimmer Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two popular grooming tools, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. We'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is priced at $99 United States dollars, making it a premium option. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is much more budget-friendly at just $52 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget. Next, let's look at the features. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 boasts advanced beard sense technology and 27 length settings for precise trimming. It also includes 23 attachments for various grooming needs. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer, while versatile, offers fewer attachments and lacks some of the advanced features found in the Norelco. If you value precision and versatility, the Norelco may be the better choice. Finally, let's discuss build quality. The Philips Norelco is known for its high-quality construction and durable materials, ensuring longevity. In contrast, the SHPAVVER, while functional, may not match the same level of build quality. If you're looking for a long-lasting grooming tool, the Norelco might be worth the investment. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer have their strengths. If you prioritize advanced features and build quality, the Norelco is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, the SHPAVVER is a solid contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.